everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Tracie Reed and this is Acrylic Pouring with Friends. I hope you guys are all having a fabulous day. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. It is collaboration day, so very excited. The theme for this month is May Flowers, and we have a couple colors that we have to use, red and peach, and then we can add some other colors if we like. So I have my colors here. I've got red and peach. The red that I'm using is Soho Alizarin Crimson, and the peach that I'm using is a custom peach that I mixed up myself. It's really, really pretty. I used no, that's not the red I used. The red that I used is Cadmium Deep Red Hue from Liquitex. Hazel. She likes to get a little mouthy sometimes. Anyway, I used that red. I used Medium Magenta from Liquitex Basics, Folk Art White Pearl, and then yellow, and I don't know where my yellow is. And I didn't measure. I just added a little. I actually started with the white pearl first and then red, and then I added a little bit of each color until I got the color that I like, and it's so pretty. That white pearl adds a little bit of pearliness to it, so I like that. And then I've got Folk Art Yellow Flash, Liquitex Basics Turquoise Blue, and then of course the medium magenta that I mentioned earlier. So as you can see, I've got a flower pour over tool. This is got 6 petals, and it is one of my acrylic pouring tools that I carry in my Etsy shop. I also have 3 other ones. I have one that has 4. I have one that looks like a bowl and that has 8 holes in it. And then I also have a 16. So you can buy them separate or you can buy them in a set of 4. I don't use these a lot because that's just not my thing. So I haven't used it in quite a while. I, of course, experimented with it when we were first designing them. But I haven't used them in so long, so I figured why not give them a try again, and since it kind of goes with the theme of May Flowers. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started and just start putting the paint on. You guys can watch, listen to the music, and enjoy, and here we go. Alright guys, I love this. I think it turned out just gorgeous. Gorgeous. I haven't done one of these in so long. I'm so happy that it turned out so pretty. I wasn't sure with these colors together, but wow, they turned out so nice. I'm glad I added the blue, the turquoise. I wasn't going to, but I'm really glad I did. Oh, okay. Love, love, love this. All right, everybody, here we go with the dried result, and I am super, super happy with how this dried. I think it is absolutely beautiful. Those colors are just gorgeous, and that middle there looks, to me, looks like a rose, so I am super happy because of the May flowers theme. I do think, though, that the yellow flash kind of stole the show here in this particular piece. It changes in the lighting, and I just love it, love it, love it. I do hope you guys are enjoying this collaboration. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And also, if you're interested in any of the acrylic pouring tools you saw me use in today's video, you can go ahead and check out acrylicpouringtools.com, and make sure you stay tuned because Denise is up next. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next one.